Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to pair your Roku TV remote without a pairing button. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply flip over your remote and take off the battery cover. And if you did have a pairing button, it would likely be in this area, in the back of the remote, like so. But since we do not, what I recommend you to do is to take out the battery for about 5 to 10 seconds and put it back in your remote control. And now, if you are unsure if your batteries are low, be sure to put in a fresh pair just in case. And then what you want to do is to simply click on press the top buttons of the home and the back button till you get here this flash or this green flash button. Now, when you see this green button flashing, this indicates that it is in pairing mode. And now at this point, you may see something pop up on your screen indicating it's trying to connect. In my case, it didn't work. So now what we are going to do is to simply do this with your remote control. Press and hold the home button and the back button again until it goes into pairing mode. And you want to hold it in close to your Roku device, whether it is the streamer or the TV. Now, after a few seconds, you will notice on my screen that there's something popped up indicating it's connecting. But if that doesn't happen to you, try unplugging your Roku TV or streaming device for 30 to 60 seconds from the power and then try again. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.